Friends, here we'll see how to find the mean, variance, standard deviation and standard error of mean. So here I have this data which is the age of various individuals in years. So in order to find mean, we have to find the total number which is n. So to find the total number, we'll simply use this formula equal to count. Okay, we'll write equal to count and then bracket open, and then we will select our data. So it will count this data. Just click enter here and it will show that the total number of data is 11, and n minus 1 will be 11 minus 1, which is 10. Okay, so now we have this n here. Next we have to find the sum of all the data. So to find the sum, we'll use this formula equal to sum bracket open and then select the data and click enter. This will give us the sum. Now we have the sum, so we can write the mean now. The mean will be equal to the sum divided by the count, which is equal to 33.7273. So this is the mean. It is in this cell I2. Okay, so now we have to find out the variance. In order to find out the variance, we have to find xi minus mean. So to find out xi minus mean for each of this data, we'll use this formula equal to xi is this number minus mean is this number, which is I2. Okay, and we click enter here. In this way we can get xi minus mean. Now in order to copy this formula for the entire range, we'll put a dollar symbol before I and a dollar symbol before 2, so that this cell remains same and this cell will vary. Okay, so now we can copy this formula. So we'll select this cell, go to bottom right corner, and when this plus symbol appears, we'll drag it down for the entire range. So in this way, okay, actually it copied this also. So anyway, we'll just click here. We'll put this in a separate cell. Okay, now we will copy this formula for the entire range. Okay, so now we have this xi minus x. Next we have to find the square of this. Okay, in order to find variance, we have to find the square of all these. So to find the square, we'll write equal to power bracket open, select this number, comma, and then 2. This will give us the square of this number, and then we can copy this same formula for the entire range. Okay, next we have to find the sum of this xi minus x square. We have to find the sum, so we'll write equal to sum and we will select all these numbers and click enter. So in this way we can get this sum, and next we have to divide it by n minus 1. So here we'll write the variance is equal to this sum divided by n minus 1, which is 10. So this will give us the variance. Okay, and now the standard deviation. So standard deviation is simply the square root of variance. So we'll write SQ equal to SQRT bracket open, and here we'll select this number and click enter. So this will give us the standard deviation, And next we have to find standard error of mean. So standard error of mean is standard deviation divided by square root of n. So here we'll write equal to the standard deviation divided by the square root sqrt bracket open, and this will be the square root of n bracket close, and click enter. This will give us the standard error of mean. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.